This is the first song on the record. We're here because we made a record called Prize Fights and we fucking love it. So that's why we're here. This is the first one. It's called Here. Here's my final serenade. Here's the gun and here's the blade. Here's the picture that I saved for too long.